Bitcoin. It's one of the most talked about investments of the past decade. From its meteoric rise to its dramatic crashes, Bitcoin's journey has left investors on the edge of their seats. But now, there's a question on everyone's mind: is the final Bitcoin crash about to happen? In today's video, we're diving into the factors that could trigger a Bitcoin crash, the signs you need to watch out for, and what it all means for the future of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned, because this could be the moment every investor has been dreading. Part 1. Bitcoin's historic rises and crashes. Let's rewind a bit. Bitcoin's price history is anything but stable. From its early days worth just a few cents to the explosive highs above $60,000, it's been a rollercoaster ride. Each time, Bitcoin has faced crashes, some smaller, others catastrophic. The 2017 bubble bursting, the 2020 pandemic dip, and even the drop we saw in 2021. With every crash, Bitcoin has bounced back, but is that the pattern we can rely on forever? Some experts say that Bitcoin's volatility is actually part of its DNA. But now, we're facing a new set of challenges that could make this next crash different. Part 2. Factors that could trigger the final crash. So, what could trigger a major Bitcoin crash? Let's break it down. 1. Rising interest rates. Interest rates are on the rise globally. The Federal Reserve, along with central banks in Europe and Asia, have been increasing rates to combat inflation. Higher rates make traditional investments like bonds more attractive, which means less money flowing into riskier assets like Bitcoin. 2. Regulatory crackdowns. Governments are increasingly looking at cryptocurrencies with a critical eye. The US, EU, and other countries are considering stricter regulations on Bitcoin and other digital assets. If Bitcoin faces a crackdown, it could spook investors, leading to a massive sell-off. 3. Market sentiment and overhype. Another factor is market sentiment. If Bitcoin's value gets overhyped and speculative, the bubble could burst. History has shown that when too many people get involved for the wrong reasons, like fear of missing out, it can end in disaster. Part 3. Signs to watch for. How do you know when the Bitcoin crash is coming? Well, there are some key signs to keep an eye on. 1. Overleveraged investors. First up, overleveraged investors. A huge portion of Bitcoin's trading volume comes from people who borrow money to invest. If these investors get hit with margin calls, meaning they can't cover their losses, it could trigger a massive sell-off. 2. A sudden drop in hash rate. The Bitcoin network relies on miners to verify transactions. If the hash rate, the computational power used by miners, suddenly drops, it could indicate a weakening in the network, possibly signaling a price drop. 3. Negative news cycles. News, whether it's about hacking, scams, or government crackdowns, can dramatically affect Bitcoin's price. A prolonged period of negative press can create a sense of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, leading investors to sell in droves. Part 4. Can Bitcoin recover? Now, here's the burning question: if Bitcoin crashes, can it recover again? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. Bitcoin has proven time and time again that it has a remarkable ability to bounce back after significant downturns. But there's a crucial factor to consider: the market might have matured. As Bitcoin becomes more mainstream, the rapid growth we saw in its early years might slow down. And then there's the issue of competition. While Bitcoin is still the leader, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and even newer, promising coins could potentially siphon away interest and investment. Part 5. What to do if Bitcoin crashes. So, if the final Bitcoin crash does happen, what should you do? Here are some steps to consider. 1. Stay calm. First, don't panic. Panicking leads to bad decisions. Remember, Bitcoin has always recovered from crashes in the past. If you believe in the long-term potential of Bitcoin, staying calm can help you ride through the storm. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different assets can help mitigate the risk if Bitcoin crashes. 3. Do your research. Keep yourself updated with the latest news, trends, and analyses. The more informed you are, the better prepared you'll be to make the right decisions when times get tough. To wrap it up, the question remains: is the final Bitcoin crash about to happen? No one knows for sure. What we do know is that Bitcoin, like all markets, is unpredictable. If you're in it for the long haul, understanding the risks, staying informed, and keeping a level head is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.